morning. Today I'm going to talk about a little weather song that I learned from another colleague of mine, and she said that I could share it with you. And um, I think it is a great way to teach children how to describe the weather, how to ask, what is the weather outside, and how to say what the weather is not doing. So in Ojibwe, just like when we talk about not doing something, we have the gaween that works together with adding seen onto the end of the verb. Like, I am not hungry. Well, I am hungry is nimbuka day. And if I wanted to say I am not hungry, I would say nimbuka day seen. And so that, or gaween nimbuka day seen. So the gaween works together with the seen on the end of the verb to make the verb not happen. And the same thing happens with weather terms. They are a different verb type. And so we have, I'm sorry, I'm looking for something. We have a different ending that we add on for this verb type. So when we're describing weather, we are describing an it, and an it that is considered inanimate, and it's not transferring action to another being or to an it. It just is. These are called, I believe, state of being verbs. This is just the state that something is in. So they are it is statements. It is sunny. It is windy. It is cloudy. It is raining. Um, there's no one receiving that action. It's not it is raining uh, on him or something. It's just it is raining. Um, and so when we do that, we use gaween, but instead of adding seen to the end, we add sinun. So our word for it is sunny is zagate. And I have these little cards. I ordered them just online and then I put my own translations over them. However, in the classroom under weather, I did attach some weather cards that you can print out and laminate and use for this. I'm actually going to show you where those are in just a second here. Let's see. I get to so many things in the way on this thing. Here we go. So under classwork in our classroom, we scroll right here, circle time, weather words. And then we have weather terms for spring, summer, and fall, winter phrases, what was the weather for past tense in these different things. We also have Ojibwe numbers because there is a way for telling temperature in Ojibwe, and that's what this is. And then this is the lesson on how to describe the weather in Ojibwe. But right here, we have our weather card. So it would print out like this, and then the back of the card has the word in Ojibwe and the translation in English. And so it would print out back to back, and you can like cut them in half. So then you have 1, 2 cards, and then this is the back of them. And you can use these cards for this song or for any other things that you want to use them for weather. Anyway, let's see. So, but I'm going to use mine here because I haven't printed those out yet. Now, one way I have done this, and another teacher I've seen has done this, is they draw the pictures of weather options on the board, and they usually do 4 weather options. So then there's always going to be 3 it is not and 1 it is, and we end with the what the weather is. So let's say that today outside it's raining. So you might want to go over the terms. What is this? This is Jesus. This is the sun. When he is shining, we say zagate. It is sunny. What are these? Oegonen o no. What are these? These are clouds. Anaquadun. But when it's outside, we say it is cloudy. And so the word is ningwaquad. Ningwaquad. It is cloudy. This is the wind. The word for it is windy in Ojibwe is nudin. And here, what's happening here? Anin Ejuebuk. What is happening or what's the weather here? Give me one. It is raining. So if it's not doing something, we need gawin. So let's say it's not sunny outside. We're going to say gawin zagate sinoon. We just take the word that it is and add sinoon to the end. So remember, it's cloudy. Ningwakwad, we want to say it is not cloudy. So we say gawin ningwakwad sinoon. If it's windy outside, we say it is windy, nuden. If it is not windy, we say gawin nude sinoon. And then here, it is raining, give me one. And if it's not raining, we say gawin, give me wa sinoon. All right, so our little song starts with the phrase, what is the weather outside? So we have anin, ejuebak, agwajing. The word for outside is agwajing. Agwajing. The word for what is the weather also translates to what is happening. Anin Ejewebak. Ejewebak. So our song goes, Anin Ejewebak Akwajing. And there's little there are little hand gestures that you can do with the song. I just do some of them. But if you have different hand gestures for the weather, you can do that. So I'll sing the song with these four, and I will end with it is raining outside. Okay. So we go. Anin Ejuebak Akwajing. Anin Ejuebak Akwajing. And then you say your question mark phrase. Sorry. Zagate ina akwajing gawin. Zagate sinu. Anin ejuebak akwajing. Anin ejuebak akwajing. Ningwa kwadina akwajing gawin ningwa kwasinu anin ejuebak akwajing anin ejuebak akwajing nudin ina akwajing gawin nudisinu anin ejuebak akwajing anin ejuebak akwajing. Give me one in a akwajing. Eya, give me one akwajing. So at the end we say, yes, it is raining outside. Eya, give me one akwajing. Instead of eya, you could also say get, give me one akwajing. So that means for sure it is raining outside. Anyway, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And feel free to practice the song and use it in your classroom.